Hey guys, what's going on? Happy Saturday morning, coming at you with my daily 8 a.m. videos. Before I get started, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment below. I'm doing a giveaway at 1,000 subs. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button and then comment sub or subscribe in the comments below to qualify. As it gets closer, I'll let you guys know what I'm gonna do or what the giveaway is gonna be. So much appreciated if you just hit that button. It literally takes 1 second. So today I wanna talk about May week 3 growth stocks. I've picked these 4 stocks at the beginning of the year, and every year I'm going to switch it up on 4 stocks I'm focusing on. So no matter what happens with these stocks throughout the year, I'm going to, just keep reporting on them, let you know my thoughts, if it's a good buy, bad buy, what my plans are with these 4 as I build them out. First one is Beyond Meat. Ticker is BYND. It opened Monday morning at $110.36. It closed Friday at $104.97. So we had a pretty big decline this week of 4.88%. So it's okay. I mean, it was actually fluctuating around the $100 to $110 range all week. There's been a lot of bad news, a lot of good news. Well, both. I mean, 50-50. There's a lot more worse news Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then some decent news Thursday after hours and the Friday. So I'll get into that at the end of the video. Ttcf, this is my second biggest position behind Tesla. Ticker is Ttcf. Very bullish on this stock. I make videos weekly on it. My position's fully built out. Cost base is mid 18s, maybe high 18s, excuse me. So this is still below my cost base right now, but I'm okay with where it's at. It's less than, I think it's less than 5% where it's at right now. So that's fine. Opened Monday at $17.40, closed Friday at $17.78. We're up 2.18% this week. So earnings came out this week, did great. They acquired New Mexico Food Company. It's going to open up production. It's going to give them more products. It's really just an all-around great thing. Super excited for this company's future. The conference call, Sam Galletti basically said they're keeping on the gas. They think they're going to ramp up production. They're going to advertise more. Great revenue. Really a lot of cash on the balance sheet. They acquired the company, $30 million straight cash. So they're cash loaded. Great company. So definitely, this is a great buy right now. $17. Anything in the under, really $20 is a great buy in my opinion. So this company probably will take off the next couple months definitely before the next earnings, because Target wasn't prepared for the volume and they maybe weren't prepared for how much sell-through they were going to have. So it was a little rocky, this earnings report, but next one's going to be ridiculous. That's my opinion. So make sure it's fully built out before next earnings is my 2 cents. Next one's Pypl. They've done a lot this year. They've dug into crypto and, all that stuff. Love their business model, super profitable. Obviously, ticker's PYPL. They opened Monday at $252.01. They closed Friday at $246.29. So they had a 2.26% decline this week. That's fine. I haven't been actively buying this. I really think it's still a little rich for me to buy, just because my cost base is 175 or something, or 170. So I'm focusing on other stocks where maybe I'm down in this one. My cost base is like 130 or 120. Down in this one, my cost base is high 18. So really focusing on ones that are getting really beat on right now, primarily like smaller market cap growth stocks. Dropbox, cloud-based storage. They own HelloSign. Love this company. They opened Monday at $24.47. They closed Friday at $25.38. This company is going to be $100+ stock in the next couple years, in my opinion. Small, mid-cap colleges, large companies. This is just something, especially with remote work and people opening their eyes to, really move towards that. Like some companies are focusing more towards remote work for multiple reasons. This company is really going to strive when, all that comes into place. So love this stock. Under 25, I think it's a good buy. So we're almost at the point there, almost at the point here. Good buy. I think this is a good buy now, but I mean, really, me personally, I think a steal for this company is in the 80s and mid 90s. So I'm going to hold off, just see what the market does, because I could see it going down there. I could see it running right back up. So this is one that's kind of just like on my watch list. Thoughts? So I've been saying this for months, I feel like, that inflation's a thing. In order to cool the market off, we're going to have to raise interest rates. The Feds came out about a month or 6 weeks ago saying how they see there's no inflation this year. It's going to be under 2%. There's no need to worry about that. Interest rates are staying low till 2023. So the market took that as great news, like, oh my God, it's going to be red hot. Nothing's going to change. And if that's the case, the market's just going to keep going up, up, and up. And then the higher it goes, the bigger the bubble's going to be. So they came out this week and said, hey, hold on, time out. Actually, there is some inflation. It's worse than what we expected. Right now, it's 4.2%. We might have to raise interest rates in the coming months to see what the market's going to do or how it's going to react. The market took super, super, super negative. And, obviously, it's bad for the markets, but interest rates rise. It's bad for the stock market. So, really the market kind of panicked. I think people were telling, Wall Street and hedge funds were selling out of growth stocks, spec stocks, like really high flyers. They're pulling out EV and all that. So between that and Elon saying he's not going to accept Bitcoin anymore this week, there's just a lot that happened this week where it impacted the market, the crypto market, the stock market. It was just selling off. So I was down, 10% in some of my positions this week. And then obviously Thursday after trading hours, they came out and said, hey, well, there's new mask restrictions. They're getting lifted. The vaccinations are working and, all that stuff to make people feel relieved, maybe to leave their house or travel or, things can get a little bit more back to normal. So that news made the market kind of flip around. So you could say a couple things about that situation. I'm going to make a video tomorrow more in depth to where I think the market's going and a couple, I'm going to do bull case, bear case, neutral case of my thoughts and, really just play all aspects. So just, I'll let you guys know where I think it's going, but all situations. So really, as an investor, you just want to make sure you have a game plan for all three situations. If you have a game plan for all situations and you always have cash on the sideline, you're always in a position of power to take advantage of something. So that's really the key to investing, in my opinion. So cash right now, I didn't buy anything Friday. So just because usually when the market's green or it rallies real hard, I don't like buying in those situations because hopefully you average cost down when the market corrects or goes down or panics. So then when it rallies back up, you have your position hopefully at least semi-built or built. So there's no point in riding that wave because 9 times out of 10 you get burnt in the long run, especially if you day trade, option trade, call it's just bad. It might work once or twice, but if you do it for a year, it's not going to work out for you, I promise. So cash right now, I have 20%. I would like to build this back up to 25. I don't, I'll explain tomorrow where I think the market's going to go and how I feel, but this is I know a lot of people, especially a lot of the people I talk to, they're well under 10% right now in cash because of what happened this week. They were kind of loading the boat and taking advantage of stocks. I was kind of a little more on the conservative side. So, I just want to make sure, let's just say it legs down again like it did this week. It just falls on its face next week. More bad news comes out, right? Well, those people with 5%, 6%, 7% cash, you're going to be down to zero probably at that point. And then what if something else happens? So whereas I will be, basically one step behind you where I'll move down to 15 or 12%. So then, you know what I mean? Then if it goes down again, I still got some, and then once I get to zero, okay, what do you got to do? You got to find a way to make more money. You got to save a little more, or you might have to sell some positions that maybe if you have 17 stocks, I might have to sell 2 or 3 of them to get cash, just to take advantage of deals where I, feel like it's more interesting. So that's all I got. If you guys want to hear my bullish, bear, and neutral case tomorrow, make sure you subscribe. Let me know below what you guys think the market's going to do or where you think it's going to go. Again, if you want to qualify for my giveaway when I hit 1,000 subs, just write sub or subscribe. You can do it even when you're in the comment too, as long as you write it. So I'll mark you down, and that's that. And that's all I got. Peace.